Good evening, Wood Creek Junior High parents. I'm Dr. Melinda Stone. I'm the principal here at Wood Creek Junior High. Very honored to be serving as the principal here. This is my third year here at the school, and it's just an amazing place to be. Amazing kids, amazing teachers, amazing parents. It really is a fantastic place. Tonight, I hope that you get a good glimpse of what it takes for your student to get from class to class. You're going to learn teachers' expectations for each of the subjects that they have and what their requirements are. So you're going to get to know a little bit about your child and what they have to go through when they go from class to class in junior high. You know, our goal here is to have students grow, and that's really our campus focus, is for students to grow. We're not very focused on passing a state assessment. While that's important, we really want our kids to grow from year to year, and we focus on that. We do very well on our state assessments, and that's the reason why we really focus on that growth from year to year for your students. In addition to that, you know, growth in the instructional curriculum and growth socially and emotionally. We have character ed program that we do during advisories that we hope you know, touch on some topics that are pertinent to the students, you know, in today's time. So that's how we utilize advisory as well. It's been a little bit of a rough start with the buses. I know I've been assured that they're working on that bus schedule to get kids here on time, and also so they can get home on time as well. We're doing everything that we can here at the campus to ensure that our systems are rock solid to be able to minimize any delay in them getting to the buses or getting them to class. I know that they are missing some of first period because of the late buses, and so what we're doing is we're going back to first period during advisory time for now until they can see if they can remedy the situation with the buses. We don't want to have any student lose instructional time in that first period class. So that's what we're doing. So we're going to first period when everybody gets here. Some students are arriving late, and then we will go back to first period the rest of this week, and hopefully that will be the last time that we have to do that. Just a reminder that in the afternoons we're using both lanes in the circular drive, and we're doing what's called a zipper method. So really, if you double stack in that drive, make sure that the lines are even. You just take turns. One person goes, then the next line, then the next line, then the next line. So I know there were some people that were a little confused by that, but it really has worked well when we're just taking turns, you know, alternating the lanes. And that's mostly for the afternoon. In the mornings, it's been fairly clear to drop off students, so we haven't had to use that second lane very much, but in the afternoons, it's really important to double stack. Sixth graders are doing a great job at getting acclimated to the schedule and to their newfound freedom, and the 7th and 8th graders have been great at leading the way for them, and everybody's doing a fantastic job. Just a reminder with the IDs, it's really important for your child to have their ID on when they enter the building. So right now, the kids are doing really well, but just remind them they have to have that ID when they walk in the building. If they forget, they can purchase a temporary ID. We'll give them a temporary ID for $1. If they don't have the money, that's okay. We'll write it down, have an IOU system. And then if they lose their ID, they can buy one for $3, a replacement, and a lanyard if they want one for $1 in the library. So it's real important. It's for safety. I know there's a lot more safety protocols that we're putting in place, but it's really important to us. So if you could remind your child that they have to have that ID around their neck and visible when they walk in the building, that would be greatly appreciated. Thanks so much for coming this evening. We hope you have a great time, and have a good rest of the evening.